There are several items a new part design needs to take into consideration in the design phase. In manufacturing, it's essential to consider the effects the environment has on a part or a component. Is it necessary for the part you are designing to be corrosion resistant? Zinc, a versatile metal, stands out for its excellent resistance to corrosion. With a history dedicated to zinc die casting, Deco Products understands when the corrosion resistant of zinc is the right material choice when designing a new part. Corrosion is the gradual degradation of metals because of the reaction with the environment. Zinc is naturally resistant to corrosion. If you leave it outside, you don't get the same corrosion that you would with a lot of other materials. Zinc is very durable in that essence. This durability comes from the protective oxide layer that forms on zinc surfaces, shielding it from further degradation. A zinc part, when exposed to air, forms a thin protective layer of zinc oxide. This layer provides a dull appearance but does not produce iron oxide or red rust, as there is no iron in a zinc alloy. The layer of zinc oxide helps protect the underlying metal from coming into contact with the environment. Zinc is also less reactive than other metals, which makes it less prone to corrosion. Zinc, like most other metals, corrodes. A regular inspection and preventive measures maintain strength and durability over time. The rate of corrosion is slow, ensuring that the overall impact on its structural integrity is minimal. In corrosive environments, zinc components maintain their strength better than any other material or metals. Zinc's natural corrosion resistance ensures that the metal remains durable. Zinc does not produce red rust. Instead, over time, zinc develops a white coating, which is a natural part of its corrosion-resistant process. This change appears to not affect the strength and durability of the metal. Understanding this behavior is crucial for appreciating zinc's corrosion resistance and for planning effective maintenance strategies. Zinc patina, a protective layer that forms on the surface of zinc when it oxidizes. The protective layer plays a crucial role in its corrosion resistance. This patina consists of zinc carbonate. The reaction of zinc with carbon dioxide and water in the environment creates zinc patina. A great example of zinc patina is galvanized steel. As fresh galvanized steel weathers, it will develop a matte gray appearance that is zinc patina. Zinc is a corrosion-resistant metal in raw form. Additionally, you can finish castings in several ways to enhance their functionality and appearance. So recommendations for you on choosing the best finish. Raw. The best for internal components or when appearance is not a priority. Zinc plate or clear coat is suitable for parts that need moderate protection and a polished appearance. A powder coat is an ideal part, requires robust protection and customizable colors. Deco Products has an additional resource that's linked down below in the description and is titled "The 6 Benefits of Powder Coat," ideal for parts that require a robust protection and customizable colors. Chrome plating is perfect for parts needing high durability and a premium look. Choosing zinc as a corrosion-resistant metal offers many benefits. By understanding zinc's natural resistance to corrosion, you can ensure long-lasting and durable components. Exploring the best finish methods for your specific part can enhance your visual appeal. Deco Products leverages decades of experience in zinc die casting. We provide solutions that meet your manufacturing needs, whether you are requiring basic protection with a raw finish or a premium look with chrome plating. We have you covered. Our in-house capabilities include powder coating, ensuring the best performance and appearance of your zinc casting.